Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Doug from Beyond Territory, and in this video I'm going to show how I painted the Perry's Elite box of French Napoleonics to my usual 3 foot fabulous standard, or battle ready. I hope you follow along. It's a nice, quick, easy to follow step-by-step guide. Catch you in a bit. So starting off to paint the French Elites Grenadier, just starting in with a base coat. I've gone in with a grey over all of the miniature, and I come in with Kiss of Their Flesh for skin. Next colour, bit of Ultramarines contrast blue. I use it quite neat, so it's darker. I'm just coming in for all the blue uniform. Again, 2 coats. First one a bit lighter, make sure it's kind of where I need it, and then come in again afterwards. Okay, next colour is flat white, and I'm coming in for the trousers and his strapping. So down, also need to get the musket strap. And then also the leather strapping on the rucksack. And just do 2 coats, so it's a nice strong white colour. So next colour I'm going to use is contrast Black Templar, and this will be for the boots and the shako and the ammo pouch. So the next colour will be Mephiston Red, and basically pick out all the elements in the uniform. So, collars, cuffs, and start to work on the shako. And any tassels on the sword will be red as well. The red and white. Red first. So next colour, coming in with flat brown for the musket. And also on the backpack. For the blanket on the back, I'm using Storm Vermin. Next colour, Lead Belcher for the barrel and fire mechanism of the musket. Next colour, or the last colour, a bit of Balthasar gold, a bronze colour. the water bottle. Saw hand guard. So now for a few washes, coming in with Reichland flesh for the flesh and any bronze bits. The next wash, I'm going to use Agrax Earthshade all over the miniature to make it look like he's on campaign, a bit grubby and worn. Now the washes are dry, just to come in and tidy it up a bit. So back in with a bit of Kevlar flesh on the raised areas of the face. And the hands as well, raised areas. Now I come in with the white, just to tidy up leather work. Any glaring mistakes noticed. I don't want to paint the whole trousers white again. I want to keep them campaign-esque. It's a bit dirty. The top edges, bit of a tidy up, bit of a clean. And if I've messed up anything with the leather on the back of the rucksack, go back in, and it'll stand out again. Next colour is going back in with the blue. Again, focus on the edges, tidying up any bits that need tidying up. Next one, tidying up with the brown. Picking up some highlights on the edges. And we're just sorting out the bedroll at the top. Grey. Tidy up in the areas. Edge, the light touch. And then coming in with Evil Sun Scarlet for a little highlight on the red to make that pop out again. For the backpack, just add in a little bit of white, a little bit more like hide. And then come back in with lead belcher to make the barrel stand out, and bayonet on the edge. Last spot of colour before finishing, a little retributor armour, some gold just to make it pop in places. Yeah. There you go, managed to base the Elite miniatures, my Grenadier, using Geek Gaming Scenic Space Ready Mediterranean. Nice and quick. And sealed it with a matte sealant. And there, we're done. Nice, fairly quick, grimy, battle ready looking miniatures to add to the unit. Hope you like this one. I hope you picked up some tips and tricks and gave you some confidence to get on painting your minis. Catch you next week. Thanks for watching.